Great. Just 15 seconds. It's kind of late night today with the live videos, but I'm so excited because we can't wait. We've been booking and prepared for you. And just my little applicator. So obsessed with this. So I'm gonna just dust it off and top coat it again to protect it, because I'm gonna do some 3D flowers on this one. This is gonna be really cool for a lot of beginners to learn some fun 3D. All right, here quick. Yeah, it was 60 seconds. Hi Libras, how are you? Hi Maya. Nearby Laurie. Oh yes, the purple stone, the violets, I really like it. Claws for the cultures. Hello sweetie, how are you? Jakayla, hello, thanks so much for tuning in. If you're still here. I know I love that animal prints as well. And I love to see your beautiful. Oh, look much better on Instagram. Is that Facebook is really bad? So do some 3D flowers. I have the monomers right on my side, and let me play with that and see how it turned out. And maybe this blue will look good. Give it a try and see how it turned out. Looks great. Pick the monomers and pick right into the bead. So there are so many different techniques for doing a 3Ds, but a lot of them are it's really pretty much similar. So this is great for the beginners if you are picking it the smaller beads, and if you want to make all the petals look similar and the same shape, or I mean the same size, you should pick your beads in the same size. Pick a different one. The next second bead. I'm excited about this. Something is really cool and new. You're seeing this chrome is super cool and new as well. You got to see it available shortly. I'm so excited to see everyone today. Just if you are the beginners and you want to achieve it's really simple, quick and easy, your 3D, it's just as long as you keep it nice and a little bit thinned down and pick the same size of your beads, you see it turn out really nice. Facebook has been really not, Facebook is really not good looking though. Good feet is so and it said it's really blurry. Can't see. I think. So using the tip of the brush, it's really like a light color, which is I really like it. Hope you see it because it looks in my hands. It's really cute, but it looks really light. So I'm going to inside of the flowers. If you want to do two colors, which is the white and the blue, which is great. And pick, this time I am going to pick a little bit smaller beads and using the tips of the brush. Choose it kind of guided and then separate it and make it like a C, half moon, like a C look. Looks good. I don't know is everybody can see it. It's a little bit wet right now. I'm excited about this one. Now we'll pick the center. Lit. I'm gonna do a little couple leaf on the side. If your brush has had too much monomer, you just tap it in the paper towel to release them. Make sure the ratio is right. I really like the chromes underneath now. Maybe one down here. Press it by Gemma. I'm using a 3D brush, sweetie. it's really simple, easy for all the beginners. I'm gonna do some crystal placement on this one. And if you want just get a little smaller petals right there, you can. Hold on, let me move it here so I can see it better. Is
Hello, ladies.
good, just leave it there, and we can do some crystal in a little bit.